Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Roomba 600 battery is probably one of the most important components of your robot vacuum, impacting its cleaning power and overall lifespan. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about maximizing its performance, from understanding its specifications and identifying potential issues to exploring replacement options and implementing effective maintenance strategies to keep your Roomba running smoothly for years to come. We'll cover common problems, troubleshooting tips, and provide you with valuable insights to ensure your Roomba 600 series continues to clean efficiently and effectively. Number 5. Powerextra Roomba Battery. This is a high-capacity replacement battery, designed to seamlessly integrate with your Roomba vacuum. It provides long-lasting power for thorough cleaning. It functions just like the original, offering the same cleaning power. It's equipped with safety features to protect against overcharging and short circuits, extending its lifespan. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Roomba models, making it a versatile and convenient replacement option. Installation is quick and easy. It has undergone rigorous testing and is certified to meet safety standards. You can trust it to provide reliable performance and a long service life. We're committed to your satisfaction. Enjoy our 24/7 customer support, 30-day return policy, and 12-month warranty for peace of mind. Upgrade your Roomba with this powerful and reliable replacement battery. Experience longer cleaning times and worry-free performance. What we like. It boasts a large capacity and is compatible with a wide range of Roomba models. If you need a reliable replacement that works across many machines, this is a great option. Its safety features will give you peace of mind. What people say. It arrives with a really good charge on it. I used it to clean 3 large rooms before it ran out of juice. This battery is so much better than the original Roomba battery. Works fine, easy to install and more working time. Number 4. iRobot Roomba XLife Battery. This is the iRobot Roomba XLife Battery, designed to give your robot a longer lifespan. It's compatible with many of your favorite Roomba models. Get twice the cleaning cycles compared to the standard battery. Enjoy more thorough cleaning sessions without interruption. It seamlessly integrates with various Roomba models, including the Create 2, Scuba 450, and Select 500, 600, 700, and 800 series. Check compatibility before purchasing. The package is compact and easy to handle. Inside, you'll find the replacement battery ready to power up your cleaning routine. Please note that it's not compatible with all Roomba models. It won't work with the Roomba 890 and 690 models. Double-check your model number before ordering. Extend the life and performance of your robot vacuum with this high-capacity battery. Enjoy more cleaning power for longer. What we like. This battery offers double the cleaning cycles of the standard battery. If you're looking for longer cleaning times between charges, this is the one for you. It's an authentic iRobot part, ensuring quality and compatibility. What people say. Battery works well and charges with no issue. I reset my Roomba for the new battery and left it plugged in with this new battery until the light was green, which took overnight. Now the Roomba runs like new. I received this yesterday and charged it overnight. As expected, I had to redo the cleaning schedule on my Roomba due to having a new battery. Easy install, quick setup redo. I did a test run this morning and the battery lasted 1 hour and 50 minutes before it needs to be recharged. My Roomba is functioning as if it's new. This is our third replacement battery for a Series 500 pet Roomba. The third is an iRobot battery that works perfectly. It is well worth the difference in price. Number 3. Sparkole Roomba Battery. This battery will power your robot for 2 to 3 hours on a single charge, significantly extending its cleaning time compared to the original battery. It offers superior performance compared to standard NMH batteries. Enjoy longer cleaning sessions without interruption. With 1000 recharge cycles and a low self-discharge rate, it will last for up to 2 years, saving you money and hassle. It's UL and CE certified, with built-in safety features to protect against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. It's compatible with a wide range of iRobot Roomba models, making it a versatile replacement option. We offer a 35-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month warranty. Contact us if you have any questions or issues. What we like. With a massive 5,300 mAh capacity, it provides significantly extended cleaning time. If you want a battery that lasts for years, reducing the frequency of replacements, this is the best choice. Enjoy uninterrupted cleaning for hours. What people say. The next morning, I fired it up and let it begin its work, but not before I unplugged the home base so that it would not be recalled and I could see just how long this battery would operate. Well, after 4 hours and 15 minutes it finally died in our hallway. Very good battery charge. This battery seems to run forever, usually it docks itself after 1 to 1.5 hours. Old battery was lucky to last 15 minutes. And wouldn't even reach the docking station before it died. What's there to say about a battery? This battery seems to be doing a good job. The Roomba functions well 3 times a week, the battery charges properly, and I am happy with this product. It was easy to install. Number 2. Melasta Roomba Li-ion Battery. This battery gives you at least 2 hours of cleaning time on a single charge, unlike your old battery. Say goodbye to multiple charges during one cleaning job. It boasts up to 800 charge cycles, lasting for 1 to 2 years. That's a significant improvement over the lifespan of your previous battery. It's compatible with a wide range of Roomba models, from the 500 to the 800 series. Check the product description for a complete list of compatible models. It's equipped with a battery management system to protect it from short circuits, overcharging, and overheating. Your safety is our priority. We offer a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 12-month limited warranty. Contact us if you have any questions or problems. Replace your old battery and experience the difference. Enjoy longer cleaning times and a more reliable performance. What we like. This lithium-ion battery offers a much longer runtime than standard batteries and lasts for up to 2 years. If you're tired of constantly recharging your Roomba, this is the solution. Enjoy extended cleaning sessions without interruption. What people say. It's compatible with multiple series, 500, 600, 700, 800, 880, I have a 595 PET from Costco, making it a versatile and reliable option. With its 5,000 mAh capacity, this battery provides significantly longer runtime compared to the original. My Roomba now cleans more efficiently, covering more area in a single charge. Installation was straightforward, and it fit perfectly without any issues. Immediately upon replacing it, very simple to install, my Roomba began working like new. It is still quite powerful after several months, is clearly durable, as yet shows no signs of aging. It still recharges quickly, too. Have an 880 robot and this battery works perfectly. Put the battery in and bam. Robot is working again. Battery lasts longer than the original one, and charges with no issues. Number 1. OHYES Roomba Replacement Battery. This high-capacity battery is perfect for extending the runtime of your Roomba vacuum. It's a simple replacement that will give you more cleaning power. Enjoy significantly longer cleaning sessions compared to your old battery. It's designed to give you more time cleaning and less time charging. It seamlessly works with various Roomba 500, 600, 700, 800, and 900 series models. Check the compatibility list to see if it fits your model. It's equipped with multiple safety features, including overcharge, overdischarge, and short-circuit protection. This ensures a long and safe lifespan. We've included 2 extra side brushes to keep your cleaning performance at its peak. It's a great added value to your purchase. We stand behind our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 12-month warranty against quality issues. What we like. It comes with extra side brushes and offers a longer runtime than the original. If you value convenience and added accessories, this is a smart choice. Enjoy a longer cleaning time and the added benefit of replacement brushes. What people say. I ran it 3 times from fully charged to fully depleted, and all 3 times the battery lasted 1 hour and 28 to 29 minutes, so quite happy with this. As a plus, it also comes with 2 brushes. Install is super easy, take off the brush and the 4 screws this seller indicates in the photos. The battery doesn't use any plug to connect, just drop it in place of the old one. Charged in under an hour. The full charge ran him about 2 hours, also amazing, and was back to fully recharged via the dock in about 3.5 hours. With a new battery, Roomba works great again. Installing a battery takes a few minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.